Hello guys, please like my video, subscribe, share, comment on what you think about this product, silver bed oil. Very effective for pneumonia, cough, chest congestion, name it. It has an antimicrobial, antibacterial properties. It can be used to reopen blocked airway. Are you having them? Use silver bed oil. Application: add 2 to 3 drops of this silver bed oil on your water handkerchief. Place a little bit distant from your nose. Inhale. Then give yourself some time. You see that yes, it will help to reopen that block airway that you are having. It's very effective. Please comment on the comment section. I want to know if you've used it before, if it works for you.